Hello there. Thanks for popping over. There are three solutions that are published on the SAP Store. For this session, I'd like to introduce you to the first on the list, Permissions Management Suite. Based on discussions with customers and independent research, Fastman products are the leader that provides robust and completeness of functionalities for the extended ECM and ECM community. Your other alternative is likely a prolonged period of customization to bring it to the basic state, not even as close to what is readily available off the shelf with what Fastman products are offering. This is the only comprehensive solution for the SAP Extended ECM users that places the importance of security for one's business content and information management. Organizations are constantly exposed to security breaches if one is not careful with how the records are maintained in the ECM platform. Permissions Manager is the proven leading solution globally to address this gap since 2008. Customers include recognized international organizations, national security agencies, and SME businesses. Rich collection of functions targeting key use cases. Example, I need to see what permissions are in place. I need to make changes to permissions and access a lot and quickly. I need to manage the systems and risk mitigation. This module has all the important and proven functionalities as listed herewith and more. Sounds easy? Yeah, but the functionalities are briefly described here, and many more are what personnel responsible for ECM record management will say. This is exactly what I want when they see the functionalities as described in the next few slides. I've mentioned some use cases in the previous slide. If your organization do allow access to the ECM as well to persons outside of the organization, such as contractors, we have a feature as well which will allow you to validate access rights for the link to record as shared to intended recipient, hence eliminating wasted effort of sending links across when permissions authorizations may not permit such access. You can also enforce read-only capabilities for selected group of users. Who has access to information? Rich, interactive permissions dashboard will help you with this. Filter by user, by group, apply group memberships, as in effective permissions, search for access by users, by group, inclusive, exclusive, groups and group memberships, what group does someone belong to as compared to another someone else. Well, you can look at doing multi-level drill down. And again, who has access to information? Rich interactive permissions dashboard, filtering groups, memberships. All of these are easily achieved with our Fastman Permissions Management Suite. Search and replace is another very powerful tool set over here. Quick change, who has access to information by people, by group, by owner, one item, many items, entire libraries, containers. Well, you can securely with confidence validate the results of access rights. Enable information owners to be engaged. Securely enable business ownership of data access. Rollback function is one another very powerful function as offered here. Okay, we call it as a oops button. You make a mistake in setting up, no worries, it can be rollback. And onboarding of offboarding of personnel can be easily done. Switch of departments, team transfer, reorganizations. These are a lot of scenarios that an organization will face day in, day out, or regularly, and we can help you with that. Maintain control. Who can make what type of changes? Who can see permissions and content? they do not own, globally by function, selectively by function, etc. Records management compliances, the RM rules will be fully respected in the system. Compliance levels are configurable. As mentioned in the first part of this presentation, there are times when certain group of users may fall into a read-only community. Yes, we can provide you with a powerful way to have this instituted. You can start from very simple, read-only for all, or it can be set to a granularity of limiting users to certain type of transactions, while a white list, permitted list, kind of transactions for the ECM structure. In closing, Fastman Permissions Manager meets the compliance challenge for extended ECM environment, increases its effectiveness as an enterprise core record management platform, risk and compliance against security breach is definitely mitigated. Increase your ROI, lower deployment costs, and as well as supporting costs. Please feel free to contact the personnel as listed here if you're interested to learn more about the Fastman products and how it can assist your organizations. Thank you. This is Wayne from Fastman.